In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can share credit or airtime from an MTN number to a different MTN number. So there are two ways of doing this. So the first one is by just choosing a different number when you're sending it on mobile money, when you want to pay with mobile money. And then the next option is using the USD code, which is the Me2U, when you have some airtime on your mobile phone, you want to transfer it to a different number. So let me show you guys how to do this. Let's start with the Me2U. So the code for the Me2U is 198. Then you send. Good. So before you can be on this service, you need to activate it. So let me choose one to activate. So I'll need to set a pin. So let me give it this pin, 2025. And now I need to confirm the pin. Good. So right now I'm activated on Me2U service. So what I need to do is start with the procedure of transferring airtime. So 198. So this time I move to transfer, which is 2. Good. So now I enter the receiver's phone number. So let me enter this phone number here. Good. And now I enter the amount I want to transfer. Let me make it. You don't need to add some decimal. So let me do it only 1. And let me do it 1 as well. And now I'll have to enter my PIN, which is the PIN I just set to transfer the airtime. If I have enough airtime on my mobile phone, it should, be transferred to this number, the 556. So I confirm once again. Transfer failed. It's because I don't have airtime on my mobile phone right now. If I had airtime, it would go through. So that's it on how to transfer airtime on MTN to a different number. And then this is the second option, which is the 170, using the mobile money. Okay, so the mobile money, you just need to choose 3, which is buy airtime. And then on here you choose this, which is 1. And then here you choose others. You enter the person's phone number, you enter your PIN, and you're good to go. So let me choose the amount. Let me make this 1 as well. Now let me re-enter the number I used in the first tutorial. The number I used earlier. I think I'll have to enter it twice, so I need to copy it. So now let me repeat the number. Good. So here I need to enter my mobile money PIN and I'm good to go. So I'm not going to do that. So that's it for the video. This is how you transfer airtime from your MTN number to a different MTN number. So if you're new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.